Did you know that over 60% of the symptoms you attribute to aging, from that persistent fatigue to the heavy, aching sensation in your legs, might actually be a direct result of poor vascular circulation that you can influence starting with your very next meal? If you are over 60 and feel like your legs are constantly heavy, cold, or prone to swelling, you aren't just getting older. Your circulatory system is sending you a distress signal that it is time to change how you fuel your body. Most people believe that once you reach a certain age, poor blood flow is just an inevitable part of the journey. But today I am going to show you exactly why that is a myth and introduce you to a specific dietary approach, including one powerful drink that can significantly increase blood flow in your legs faster than you ever thought possible. We are talking about opening up those pathways, reducing inflammation, and getting your vitality back so you can walk, garden, and play with your grandkids without that nagging discomfort. To understand how to fix the flow, we first have to understand what is happening inside your arteries and veins as the years go by. Over time, a process called atherosclerosis can occur where plaque builds up, narrowing the space for blood to move. This is especially common in the lower extremities because blood has to work against gravity to get back up to your heart. When your vessels lose their elasticity and become stiff, your heart has to work harder, and your legs are the first to suffer the consequences. But here is the good news: your endothelium, which is the thin inner lining of your blood vessels, is incredibly responsive to the nutrients you ingest. One of the most critical molecules for leg health is nitric oxide. Think of nitric oxide as a natural vasodilator. It tells your blood vessels to relax and open wide, allowing oxygen, rich blood to surge through your calves and feet. As we age, our body's natural production of nitric oxide drops significantly, which is why we must rely on specific vessel expanding foods to pick up the slack. The absolute powerhouse in this category, and the must-drink liquid I mentioned, is concentrated beetroot juice. Beets are incredibly high in natural nitrates, which your body converts into that precious nitric oxide. For a senior looking for fast results, drinking about 8 ounces of beetroot juice a few hours before a walk can measurably improve your stamina and reduce leg pain because it literally widens pipes. If the earthy taste of beets isn't your favorite, you can mix it with a bit of apple or ginger, but the key is the nitrate content. Beyond just one drink, we have to look at the broader picture of your daily plate. You want to focus on foods high in flavonoids, which are found in abundance in citrus fruits like oranges and grapefruit. Flavonoids help reduce inflammation in the veins and can prevent the blood from becoming too sticky, which reduces the risk of clots. Another essential component is omega-3 fatty acids. You've likely heard they are good for your heart, but for leg circulation, they are transformative because they improve the fluidity of your blood and help break down the fibrin that can lead to hardened arteries. Think of wild-caught salmon, walnuts, and flax seeds as the lubricant for your circulatory system. While we are adding these powerful boosters, we also have to talk about the silent killers of circulation: refined sugars and excessive sodium. High sugar levels lead to glycation, which essentially caramelizes your blood vessels, making them brittle and prone to damage. Excessive salt causes your body to retain water, putting immense pressure on your veins and leading to that uncomfortable swelling or edema in your ankles. Switching to potassium-rich foods like bananas, avocados, and white beans can help balance that sodium and ease the pressure on your vascular walls. You should also consider the power of spice. Cayenne pepper contains a compound called capsaicin that stimulates blood flow and strengthens the walls of your capillaries. It's not just about heat, it's about metabolic activation. If you incorporate a pinch of cayenne or even just a bit of garlic into your meals, you are helping to prevent the blood from thickening. Garlic contains allicin, which has been shown to help the blood vessels relax more effectively. Now, it isn't just about what you eat, but how you support that nutrition with movement. Even if you are sitting down, you can perform pumps to act as a secondary heart, pushing that newly enriched blood back up from your feet. When you combine the nitrate-rich beetroot drink with these small movements and a diet low in processed toxins, you create a biological environment where your legs can finally breathe again. You will notice the difference in the warmth of your toes and the lightness in your step within just a few weeks of consistency. Remember that your vascular health is the foundation of your independence as a senior. By choosing to drink nitrate-rich juices, loading up on colorful flavonoids, and managing your salt intake, you are taking active control over your mobility and your comfort. If you found this information valuable, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like this video, and let me know in the comments what topic you want to see next.